Hey guys, I'm Dav from Adobe Vibe YouTube channel. In this video I will show you Pro White Tone Color Grading Effect. Before start this video, be sure to subscribe and please hit that bell notification for getting update whenever I upload a new video, and follow me on my Instagram where I upload my new artwork on regular basis. Alright, as always, select your image, make a copy of it by Ctrl J. Now go to top menu, filter, camera raw filter. Now here we are going to apply those edit options one by one from right side. First, basic, make temperature -10 by using this slide bar. Tint +5. Use exposure according to your need. Contrast 10. Shadows +20. White +20. Blacks -20. Go to curves and follow the step like this. Go to color mixture, U path. Red -5. Yellow -5. Alpha and blue +20. Oranges -5, and keep rest all color as 0. This is image before and after, and that's it. This is my final output. I hope you find this video helpful. If you like my work with Photoshop, don't forget to click the like button, sharing this video, and subscribe this Adobe Vibe YouTube channel to get more amazing Photoshop effect tutorials. Also, you can check out the other amazing video just waiting for you in this channel playlist. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video soon. I'm Dav from Adobe Vibe YouTube channel.